Don't make the same mistake I did. When I got this air filter, I used it for about a month, maybe 2 months. I used it for 2 months, and then I did a test. I checked the quality of the air, and I could see that the air quality hadn't changed. I checked it before and I used it. I used it in the kids' room. So it's a small room, it's a box room. I checked it and the quality of the air had not changed. Silly me. I checked the filter, and what I didn't realize is that the bottom comes off. So you just twist it, the bottom comes off. You can pull this out. The plastic was still around the filter. So as you can see now, it has been collecting the dirt. It's working just fine. The air quality is much better, but I didn't know that one little thing, that there was plastic on the filter, and I was wondering why this thing was not working, and people had said it was such a good buy, and it wasn't working for me. So I was really disappointed. I was ready to complain. And then I've checked that. For some reason I didn't think to open the thing up and then actually take the plastic off. But other than that, I love this thing. Just plug it in. I love this thing. It works. It has this night setting, which is what I use when it's in the girls' room. So it's nice and quiet, even though I don't actually mind the loud hum. So you just tap the fan a few times to bring it up. I quite like the white noise. You can feel it like a fan, so you know it's working. I'm not sure what was going on before and why I didn't notice this sooner, but yeah, so that's and that's it in night mode. So still cleaning the air, but you can barely hear it. And then of course you can set the timers if you want it to stay on for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Yeah, but yeah, other than that little thing, goodbye. It's a goodbye. Just check your filter, make sure that the plastic is off.